really needed that. Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Na. For the ones that don't know, thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at Amazon's little treats and treats here. I got these headbands right here from Amazon for such a great deal. I think it was like $14.99 or so, and I got 6 cute headbands. And I know the headband trend is really in right now, so I'm not gonna get a headband wig. Oh, I may get one, but I may not. And you know, I could actually make my own headband wig and do a DIY, but why not just get a headband and put it on top of your wig, on top of your hairdo, or whatever is going on. So I'm gonna put on this pink one. It has pearls all over it. 3 of them have pearls actually. Let me grab these 3. So these 3, pink, black, and beige ivory. They all have pearls all over it. Really cute. These are more like dress up. I feel like these other ones too, it comes in navy blue, pink, and black. And this is kind of like Gucci style. Gucci. But these are really cute, and I feel like you can dress these up too, but I feel like these are more like dressier to me. But definitely you can dress these ones up, of course. But they're all really cute. So I'm gonna put this one on. So this wig is like a middle part wig, so I gotta try and put it on. Let's see here how it's looking. I like this one. I know this is off topic, but I need to do my nails. They're looking crazy. And the next one, we're gonna do a nail tutorial and see what color I'm gonna do. Or you can let me know what color I should do. I have a color in mind, but hey, if you got a suggestion, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. So, loving, I'm definitely loving this pink one. I found the beige. 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 The beige is really cute. Definitely cute with this new tank top. I might wear one of these for Christmas Day. I'm not quite sure which one I'm gonna wear. But guys, let me know what color you think would be really cute. Let me try the black one. I look in my mirror. Make sure I put it on right. So this is the black one. The black one is really cute too. Can do the black one like with some like dramatic eye makeup that really pops the contrast. Really cute. Now I'm gonna comb this. Let's get her together. Okay. So now we're gonna do the Gucci. Okay. So this is the pink one with the green, the red, and the yellow. Really cute. Okay. What you guys think? What you guys think? It's cute. I like it. It's pretty cute. Take this one off. Navy blue one. Navy blue, red, and yellow. This on. See? Ooh, I really like the navy and red. It's giving me sophisticated vibes, you know? And the black one is beautiful, gorgeous, red, green, and black. Very nice and fly. This actually looks like typical Gucci. Let me put this on. Okay. black one is really cute. I really like the ones with the pearls though, but they're also really cute and adorable, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these, and for the price you can't beat it. So if you wanna get them, check it out on Amazon. I'll try to leave the link down below, and so you can just click on it, check it out, and be like, okay, cute, not bad, price is good, okay. Might have to jump on that. Yeah, jump on it. Thank you guys so much for watching.